Welcome to my second metal detecting video. I'm here at a little park, and so let's see what we can find here. First coin for today, 50 cents. And the second coin right next to the 50 cents, 10 cents. Next coin, 20 cents. Nice. Yeah, I found a toy car. Truck from Matchbox. Trash. So there's the next coin in the hole. €1. €1 from Spain. So I think, yeah, these are 20 cents. And again 10 cents. So I got a big signal here, and look at this. It's a lighter. It still works, but there's no gas in it. I tried to fill it up, and yeah. Next 50 cents from Austria. Next to this hole there's also 20 cents. Again 50 cents. Where is the silver? And there it is. No way. I got a ring. I look if it's silver or not. Oh, it looks silver plated. Yeah. There's a marking in it. It says I don't know, but it's beauty. I can't believe this. Look at that. It's a belt buckle from the Reichsarbeitsdienst. Look at that. Here I found it. I can't believe it. Oh my god. This is so cool. Oh my god. My first belt buckle. Reichsarbeitsdienst. Oh my god. I clean it up and I will show you later. So this is the result of the day. All the coins, €12.20 and 50 Deutsche Pfennig. Then I've also this ring, it's junk, and yeah, this medal, this lighter. It doesn't work. I tried to fill in gas, but this watch, also junk, and the best find, the Reichsarbeitsdienst belt buckle from World War II. I show it in detail now. Now you can see it better. This is in very good condition. It's made out of aluminum. The manufacturer DH and year 38. A very rare belt buckle. I hit it here with my knife, but that's so cool. Here's the metal. It's also aluminum, but it's also nice. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. Bye.